It can be quite challenging at times. Obviously, it is a very physical job. Looking after people is very hard work, but the positive aspects you get from this role encompass that. It makes a massive difference to the child's life that you're working with, and it also makes a big difference to you as well, because you feel like you're doing something positive and you feel like you're actually doing something good in the community and you're helping these children along. I've been working in Ngolwg y Bannau for about 3 years now. I work as a senior care officer. I was promoted in January. Part of my role is the running of shifts to ensure the shifts run easily and ensure the staff have the skills and the ability to work with the children in our care. Also part of it is developing the children's personal skills. So that could be stuff like washing up, doing the dishes, cooking. And also we help the children attend the variety of activities that they wish to go to. So that could be stuff like horse riding, swimming, bowling, whatever they fancy doing really, and just building up from there.
So in Chamlas, where I'm based, is a respite unit where we have children with complex needs or learning difficulties. It comes into for respite for the families, and Bannau is a residential unit. So we all work in partnership together. We have a small staff team. I'm responsible for 5 young people here, so I make sure when I come in, I gather activities ready for them. So if we want to go off site, or we'll have a little movie night in with all the staff, and we're all making sure we're all consistent with how we work. So I work in partnership with the school, the social workers, the parents and any other family members, just to ensure that we all work together and develop these skills when they're here. We have a massive support team here. The managers have an open door policy, so they're brilliant in supporting. The pay scale here is one of the best that I've seen, private and in like a public sector. The ability to gain qualifications and progress in your career, because you can do your QCF, and then they'll give you the skills and like knowledge and stuff then to be able to lead the shifts, and you can progress again then to do your level 5. It's also, and there's massive support from the management team to do all that.
It's just attending the activities, because that is what builds the children and gives them different experiences of life. So that's what I tend to enjoy the most. Another one that I can think of is bowling recently, where one of the children beat me at bowling, and it was the first time that they, sides down as well, so it was proper bowling. And again, that was a very positive experience for me, because it was a positive experience for the child, so it was a good memory. It's just, overall, it's an interesting job. It's something that's different every day. It keeps you busy. It's a very active job. You're always on your feet. You're always doing different things. I believe that if you have a caring personality and you do want to make a difference in someone's life, then this is the perfect role for you. You're offered a lot of training through this role. You can develop in this role. And it's just working with the children is the main aspect and envelops everything else we do here. So that is probably the best reason to work in this role and work in care.